Let's get started. The first step is to cut the chicken. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. First, cut the chicken into slices, holding the knife at an angle. The next step is to season the chicken. You'll need a mixing bowl. Put the salt and the pepper into the mixing bowl. Add the cayenne pepper. Next, add the garlic powder. Now add the paprika and mix the seasonings together well. Place the pieces of chicken in the bowl and rub in the mixed spices so they fully coat the chicken. The next step is to prepare the batter. You'll need a mixing bowl and a whisk. Put the flour, the beaten egg, and the milk in the mixing bowl. Use a whisk to stir the batter vigorously until smooth. Now it's time to deep fry the chicken. You'll need a pan for deep frying, a dish, and paper towels. Line the dish with paper towels to absorb excess oil after frying. Pour a generous amount of cooking oil into the pan and heat it to 350 degrees. That's it for preparations. Coat the seasoned chicken in the batter. Put the battered chicken into the hot oil, one piece at a time. Be careful, as the hot oil will spit. Once the batter crisps slightly, turn the pieces of chicken over in the pan and deep fry them until fully crisp. Use a skimmer to transfer the fried chicken to the paper towels to absorb the oil. Transfer the fried chicken to a serving dish. Make a cut in the lemon slices, twist them, and then use them to garnish the chicken. Sprinkle on some finely chopped Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Nice work!